Georgia's COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are dramatically increasing 2 weeks after Thanksgiving. 3 of Central Georgia's major hospitals came together today with a warning. This is likely to get worse before it gets better. Sarah Hammond has the latest.
Wear a mask, social distance, and wash your hands. That's something you've heard over and over again since the beginning of 2020. But now hospital officials in Central Georgia say those steps are more important than ever. Over 4,600 people in Georgia know firsthand what it's like to have COVID-19.
And if I coughed, it was like getting stabbed with a knife.
First thing that I thought to myself was, okay, I'm gonna die.
And that number is expected to keep going up. Dr. Jennifer Hoffman with Coliseum Medical Center says the jump in numbers is a mix of people getting together for Thanksgiving and more people gathering inside as the temperature drops.
I personally have several patients I'm caring for right now who definitely caught it over Thanksgiving from family members. If people get together over Christmas, they're taking a risk of spreading it to a family member who may not survive.
Georgia added 6,062 new cases on Thursday, a new single-day record for new cases in the state. Hoffman says things will get worse before they get better.
Unless we somehow have sudden radical changes in people's behavior, and I don't think that's likely to happen, it's going to keep spreading and it's going to keep on growing and it's just going to keep getting worse.
Hospital leaders came together on Friday to warn the community that this is not over yet.
Our healthcare workforce is fatigued. They're tired. So it's not only the physical strain, but it's the mental strain.
We've got to beg the community to help us out here and be smart with what you're doing so that we don't get overrun and then we ultimately lose access to care for the entire community.
Dr. Tom Oliver, acting CEO of Navicent Health, says with a vaccine right around the corner, we're nearing the end.
We're close. We're close to potentially ending this pandemic. And so I would just say, now is the time to really double down on our efforts.
On Friday, Coliseum Medical Centers had 42 COVID-19 patients. Houston Medical had 45, and Navicent had 61 total at their Bibb Peach and Baldwin County hospitals. In Macon, Sarah Hammond, 13 WMAZ News.
All 3 hospitals say they aren't trying to scare people, but the community cannot afford to let this get any worse.